So here we have the top section. As you can see, I've got a bracket to hold the heat gun, and here you can see it's not really touching the sides, but it's very stable, it won't fall off. I'll show you the bottom, and you can see the crisscross that we've made there, and that's so it ventilates under the pipe. And we've got a 4-inch bolt or 100mm bolt right through, and see that's a spacer. It's aluminium tubing we made for a spacer. It goes like this. We just put the spacer on. That's after the belt's gone through the top, and you put the cross section on there, and then you put the nut on there and you screw it tight until it's tight, of course. And that's that. And now I'll show you how we've put the bottom section on. You can see the little L clamps we've got there. That's so once it's right down like that, and that way it stops it from falling over. Now here we have the thing bolted down. As you can see that they're all bolted down and it's balanced properly, and that's how it's done. And I suppose, well, that's about it.